Imagine finishing your degree, but still no job. I've seen too many bright minds stuck right there. I'm Harish Kumar, and I lived that gap. Theory in classrooms didn't match the skills companies wanted. Students lost confidence, and businesses lost talent. That's why we built DigiMynz. Our vision: every learner deserves a path from learning to earning. Our mission is clear: train with real projects, guide internships into jobs, and co-create talent with companies. Like Priya, once unsure, today at a leading product firm, or Rahul, who started as an intern, now leading a team. These aren't exceptions, they're outcomes we design. Your pathway can start today. DM or connect with us directly at www.digimynz.com. Thank you.